So, question number 8. Integration from 3 pi by 4 to 16 pi pi by 3. Modulus of sin x dx. Options are 19 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, 19 by 2 minus 1 by root 3, 17 by 2, 17 by 3. Now let us see the shortcut. First we have to find, we know that integration from 0 to pi by 3, modulus of sin x dx equal to 1 by 2, definitely we have found out. So 16 pi by 3 equal to 5 pi plus pi by 3. So for this value, 5 into 0 to pi modulus of sin x dx is 2 plus 0 to pi by 3 modulus of sin x dx is 1 by 2. It is 10 to the 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. Next, we have to find now, it is the integration from 0 to pi by 4 modulus of sin x dx is equal to, it is cos x 0 to pi by 4. Its value is also 1 by root 2 minus cos upper limit minus cos lower limit. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1. So here 3 pi by 4 equal to pi minus pi by 4. 0 to pi modulus of sin x dx is the value is 2 minus 0 to pi by 4 modulus of sin x dx is 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus up minus plus 1. It is 3 minus 1 by root 2. So integration from 0 to 16 pi by 3 modulus of sin x dx is this you got. Integration from 0 to 3 pi by 4 modulus of sin x dx you got this one. After simplifying, after integrating the integrand of upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. These two we have to subtract. For upper limit we have got this one 21 by 2 minus for lower limit we have got this value, it is 3. So due to technical error there was an interruption, please excuse me. Integral of sin x dx equal to minus cos x minus cos x 0 to pi by 4. It is minus of this equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is the value 1 minus 1 by root 2. Therefore 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4. 0 to pi modulus sin x dx is 2 minus this value is 1 minus 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by root 2. Now after integrating we had substitute the limits. This upper limit integral value of upper limit minus integral value of the lower limit. You got upper value upper limit 21 by 2 minus for lower limit it is 2 minus 2 minus 1 is 1 minus up minus plus 2 into 1 by root 2 2 by root 2. It is minus 1 minus 2 by root 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 by root 2. See here 2 minus 1 is 1, then minus up minus plus 1 by root 2. Therefore upper limit integral value of the upper limit minus integral value of the lower limit. Minus of 1 minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 21 by 2 minus of 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 by root 2. 2 minus 1 is minus 2. 21 minus 2, 19. 19 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. So because after finding the integral value of the given integrand, I have to substitute the limit first upper one and lower limit. So for upper limit the value is 21 by 2 we got here. For lower limit the value is 1 plus 1 by root 2. That is 1 plus 1 by root 2 we have got here. So that is okay, 21 by 2, this value is 1 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, minus of minus plus 1 by root 2, it is 1 plus 1 by root 2, upper limit minus lower limit, minus of 1 plus 1 by root 2, 21 by 2 minus 1, minus of plus minus 1 by root 2, so this is 22 minus 1 is minus 2, 21 minus 2 is 19 by 2, minus this 1 by root 2, keep it as it is. This only you need to simplify, and this one you keep it as it is. 19 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, because to adjust to our given options, the first option is correct. In what form the option is given, we have to get in that form only the value of the given integral.